Hi Jessica and everyone with Pospiech Family Law and Mediation. My name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside services. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. And so the three things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. Google loves content. Content is king in the eyes of Google. The more you have, the better. The thing to remember is that content isn't just the words on your website, like these, for example. It's also the photos on your website and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so I went through. I think that these three photos here are saved as just random file names that maybe the computer generated. What you want to do is make sure that every photo on your website is saved as a buyer intent keyword. And then as far as the actual content goes, you're going to want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. So this page does not have that many words, but let's say your collaborative divorce page. Okay, there is a video here, and you do have some content, but the magic number to hit is 1,500. So I don't think this is 1,500. Based on looking at it, I'd say maybe 800 words. You're going to want to go ahead and pump in enough to have at least 1,500 words minimum. Obviously, implementing buyer intent keywords in that content, and then to make sure you save all your photos the right way. And that's every page you're trying to rank. So collaborative divorce, limited scope representation, coaching services, whatever's the most important to you, you're going to want to have that 1,500 value, and then you're going to want to make sure all your photos are saved properly. So the next thing we're going to talk about is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Those directories would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All of those directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. I typed in Bloomfield Township Lawyers. We got Butzel Long. We got law offices of Michael A. Robbins. We got Rutkowski Law Firm. Okay, you guys aren't here. This is where you want to be. These are the people that are bringing in the majority of the volume. This is where you want to be. So I also typed in Family Law Bloomfield Township. We got Family Law Office of Susan E. Cohen. We got Bloomfield Family Law. We got law offices of Michael A. Robbins. Okay, you're not here. This is where you want to be. And then again, if you're not in this map pack, at least you want to be ranking on the first page. And this is what we mean when we say ranking organically. So you want your website to be on the first page. And this has to do with backlinks and content. But as far as citations go, this is your Google My Business. And this is how you get there, is citations. I have your Google My Business page pulled up, Pospiech Family Law and Mediation. A couple things I want to point out. 2 reviews only. So you're going to want to keep pushing those reviews. We recommend 25 minimum, so keep pushing those reviews. You do have your address, your hours, and your phone. I also recommend adding your website down here to the appointment section, and that'll help drive traffic to your website as well. The last thing is photos. So it looks like you have maybe one photo only here that you uploaded, and then we have these like 2 drive-by photos that I don't think that you put up. So you're going to want to go ahead and log into your Google My Business profile and add 10 photos. And then you're going to want to make sure, again, to save all those photos properly, keep pushing those reviews, add your website, and that'll help bring you up in this map pack, as well as getting yourself some more citations. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that mifamilylawfirm.com is at. So anywhere that your domain is at on the internet is going to give you a backlink. The thing to remember is that not all backlinks are created equal. So you actually have 51 backlinks coming from 16 referring domains, but yet your domain rating is only a 9. That's a 9 out of 100. So the thing to remember is that not all backlinks are created equal. You want your backlinks to be coming from sites that are not spammy, and you want your backlinks to be coming from sites that are relevant to your trade. So I would suggest, while you have only 51 backlinks, going in and removing the ones that you don't want, that aren't bringing you any value, and then finding yourself some good ones that are going to add a lot of value to your domain and help bring your visibility up in the search engines. And so I hope that this video finds you well. I hope that you find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website to bring yourself some more revenue and leads this upcoming season. If you have any questions or comments or feedback, do feel free to get in touch with us. We appreciate it, and thank you very much for watching.